Okay, well, I mean, hey everybody.
Take your shoes off first.
Okay.
Yeah, and then put your thing on.
Yeah, okay. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm in Calgary at my brother's place. Just made a big faux pas in the intro I tried to record. But anyways, we're going to be extracting some honey with my sister-in-law Jen and her hives. Woo! This feels like a spacesuit.
Yeah, a little bit. Okay, so where's your hood?
It doesn't feel like it to protect you,
But it does.
because it's that multi-layer.
Yeah.
You'll come out and there'll be stickers all over you. The front is the main.
So we're gonna.
So we're going to-
Oh, your mic is there.
Yeah.
You want to put your mic on the outside, maybe? Oh, it's okay.
I feel like it's
No, that's the wrong way.
feel like it's winter, my first day of school.
Your mom's getting in your snowsuit.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I don't want to. Yeah, that'll be one of the white
So this is the instead of smoking, that just pushes everything. Kind of placates them, doesn't it? Kind of smells like bad Parmesan, that lid. To me, like not horrible, but just, I don't know, really smelly Parmesan. Oh, nice. Trial by fire, let's get it.
Yeah, sure. It's not heavy because there's nothing in it.
Okay, where do I put on the blanket or?
Just put it right here. Okay.
Okay. Should be more honey there, less. Yeah. Do you like ever warn the neighbors it's harvest day or anything? Yeah.
And then we roll as much of this wax off as we can, because then the honey comes out of there easier.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. And we'll put these in here.
Oh yeah, centrifugal force, just
Exactly.
take.
A few minutes.
Oh yeah, pretty quick.
It's pretty.
It's always the simple stuff, right? Well, you only use it once a year. It's easy. We'll probably have to tip the machine back once we want to get that out full of honey. Okay, well, yeah, that. I have a little electric one in my. This is called bearding, right? Is that what Jono said? This when they're out in the front like that? Is that because we're in their hive?
Because they don't like the smell, so they're trying to.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's right. You had that thing on there.
Normally it's because it's too hot.
Yeah, yeah, like that's them getting airflow generally through the hive.
They'll just minimize the heat in the hive. Because brood, like babies, and honey is all temperature specific.
Yep.
So they'll come out here to regulate hive and to cool it off. You'll see a bunch, not right now, but you see a bunch of bees in the front when it's really hot outside, just fanning their wings, and it creates a bit of a little breeze for them.
No. But if you get longer use out of them.
Well, all in all, this was a awesome experience just to learn about bees and harvesting honey. I'm always interested in how things are done, I guess. Especially like the old world stuff, you know, instead of just going to the store and buying our honey. Here, my sister-in-law is growing her own, which also the bees help pollinate and whatnot. But also, in addition to being here to harvest honey, I was also had the great timing of being here with my oldest nephew's birthday. This is some pictures of him and I. We went and spent the afternoon. We played some mini golf, and we went out for ice cream, and just got to get some uncle-nephew time in on his special day. Also, I took an opportunity. Here I am playing soccer with my youngest nephew, and his big announcement was shortly after this visit, he was invited to go to Spain, and I'm probably going to say this wrong, but he's going to go to a soccer camp in Madrid for his favorite soccer team. So this is going to be an awesome opportunity. He is really excelling at the whole soccer thing. As you can see here, he's kicking my butt, but that's what you get. So no, that's awesome. His hard work has paid off, and in a few months, I think they said maybe March or May, I can't remember exactly, he's off to Madrid, Spain to do a soccer camp with his favorite team. Supposedly, this team is the best team in the world for World Soccer. Certainly his favorite team. Also, on this great trip, I took an opportunity to switch over, or just to take off for an evening, and I went and had a meal and had some beers with this guy right here. This is Tim of Unplugged Photography. You can check him out on Instagram. I'll probably forget, but I'll try and put his title up here on the bottom of the screen. So it was good to catch up with him as well. He's from the island in BC, so meeting up in Calgary was just a nice opportunity. All right, guys, well, that's the end of this video. I'm sorry I haven't put out a video in a long while if you've made it to the end here. It's just been, a busy summer and doing lots of figure on. I've got some things in the works. There's going to be some changes. I've done some upgrades to the van, but I see some changes in my whole van life situation coming in over the next year. So hopefully in the next couple of videos, I'll be talking about that as well. But anyways, guys, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for checking out another one of my videos. And until next time, stay safe. Have fun, guys. Later.